Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a creative text opening animation in CapCut PC. Let's start. Go to the Text tab and add default text to the timeline. On the right panel, type multiple uppercase I characters. Adjust the spacing and font settings so the letters merge into a solid white block. Scale and resize the text to cover the entire screen. Next, drag and drop your video into the timeline, placing it above the text layer. Go to the Video Basics tab and select Multiply Blend Mode for the video layer. Click on the text layer, navigate to Animation, and under the In category, select the flipping animation. Adjust the animation duration to span the entire text layer. If the animation feels too fast, extend the text layer's duration on the timeline, then readjust the animation duration. And that's it. If this helped, give this video a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.